Welcome back to Tree. The deep ocean hides incredible wonders, but also immense danger. Today we're plunging into the depths to meet a beautiful yet terrifying organism, often called the world's most venomous sea urchin. This is Toxopneustes pileolus, the flower urchin. It looks vibrant and soft, almost like a velvet glove. But this peaceful exterior masks a highly potent biological weapon. A single accidental brush with its tiny claws, the pedicellariae, can deliver venom causing severe, agonizing pain, leading to respiratory paralysis and ultimately becoming life-threatening. The species was first described in 1778 by the German zoologist Johann Friedrich Gmelin. It belongs to the genus Toxopneustes, a genus known for sea urchins that possess short spines and powerful, venomous tiny claw-like structures called pedicellariae. The species name pileolus is a Latin word meaning small cap or skull cap, potentially referring to the relatively flat, hemispherical shape of the sea urchin's shell when viewed from above, or how the venomous pedicellariae thickly cover its surface. The crown-of-thorns sea urchin has a wide distribution throughout the Indo-Pacific Ocean region. They typically inhabit shallow coastal waters, particularly on coral reefs, rocky shores, or area with sand and rubble bottom interspersed with seaweed. They are often found at depths ranging from the intertidal zone down to about 10-30 meters. Toxopneustes pileolus is well adapted to environments with numerous hiding spots where it can camouflage itself. The crown-of-thorns sea urchin has unique habits regarding camouflage and special defense mechanisms. The shell has a flattened hemispherical shape and can reach a diameter of up to 10-15 centimeters. The test color typically varies from deep red, orange, to brown or purple. This is the most notable and dangerous feature of the species. The urchin's surface is densely covered with small, flower-shaped structures resembling tiny crowns called tridentate pedicellariae. Each pedicellaria has a structure similar to a bird's beak or small pincer mounted on a long, flexible stalk. When touched, these pedicellaria snap shut, grasp firmly, and inject an extremely potent neurotoxic and cardiotoxic venom into predators or victims. Like many other sea urchin species, T. pileolus engages in camouflage by using its tube feet to pick up and hold debris, shells, coral fragments, or seaweed onto its test. This behavior helps protect them from UV radiation, conceals them from predators, and may also aid in thermoregulation. This makes them very difficult to spot when nestled among reef or sandy substrates. Toxopneustes pileolus is a herbivore and detritivore. It uses its chewing apparatus known as Aristotle's lantern to scrape algae off rocks and coral, as well as consuming plant fragments and other deposited organic matter. Like most sea urchin species, Toxopneustes pileolus reproduces by releasing gametes into the water column. Sea urchins typically reach reproductive age after about 2 to 5 years, depending on environmental conditions. In the marine environment, the flowering of sea urchins is equivalent to the process of spawning sperm and eggs into the water column. This usually occurs seasonally, triggered by environmental factors such as water temperature, lunar cycles, and food availability. Eggs and sperm meet in the water for fertilization. The fertilized egg develops into a Pluteus larvae, a free-swimming, bilaterally symmetric larval form. The Pluteus larvae drift in the water column for several weeks or months, feeding on plankton. This is a crucial dispersal stage, enabling the species to spread across its broad distribution range. After the drifting phase, the Pluteus larvae undergo a complex metamorphosis to transform into a tiny, radially symmetric juvenile urchin, which then settles onto the seabed to begin its adult life. The crown-of-thorns sea urchin is considered one of the most dangerous marine organisms in the world. The venom injected via the pedicellariae can cause excruciating pain, chest tightness, breathing difficulties, muscle paralysis, and even death from respiratory failure in humans, though fatalities are rare. Any contact with this sea urchin, even a light brush, can trigger hundreds of pedicellariae to inject their venom. And that concludes our overview of the crown of thorns sea urchin, Toxopneustes pileolus, a marine creature that possesses striking beauty yet harbors potent venom within its hundreds of tiny pedicellariae. Thank you very much for your attention and time.